Becoming a millionaire in your 20s requires dedication, hard work, and smart financial strategies. While it's not easy, it is possible with discipline and focus. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Set clear goals. Define specific and achievable financial goals. Determine how much money you want to have by what age and outline the steps to reach those goals. 2. Attribute yourself lives. Knowledge is power. Learn about personal finance, investments, and money management. Read books, attend workshops, and follow reputable financial advisors to gain insights. 3. Tie control spend, create a budget, and stick to it. Minimize unnecessary expenses and avoid accumulating debt. Focus on saving and investing your money instead of spending it on luxuries. 4. Increase your income, ways to increase your earning potential. This might involve pursuing higher education, acquiring new skills, starting a side business, or seeking better paying job opportunities. 5. Start saving early. Time is your biggest advantage in building wealth. Begin saving and investing as early as possible, even if it's a small amount initially. 6. Invest wisely. Don't just save money. Make it grow through investments. Research different investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks. 7. Take advantage of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow with the power of compound interest. 8. Rise below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation when your income increases. Instead, continue living frugally and direct the extra income towards savings and investments. 9. Delete your rest debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit card debt. Interest on debts can eat into your potential savings and investments. 10. Next. About beta SEH tubal trams and consider creating multiple income streams such as rental properties, investments, freelancing, or online businesses. Diversifying income sources can increase your overall wealth. 11. Get rich quick scheme. Be wary of any opportunity promising quick and easy riches. More often than not, they are scams or high-risk ventures that can lead to financial loss. 12. Network and collaborate. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. Networking can open up new opportunities and partnerships that can accelerate your path to wealth. 13. Stay committed and patient. Building substantial wealth takes time and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals even when facing challenges or setbacks. 14. Auditor and adjust your strategies. Regularly review your financial progress and adjust your strategies accordingly. Be flexible and open to learning from your successes. Becoming a millionaire in your 20s requires dedication, hard work, and smart financial strategies. While it's not easy, it is possible with discipline and focus. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started.